We are a food-based charity concentrating on food support, education and training. It's the first dedicated community kitchen in the borough and it's something we're really proud of. Currently the cost of living is hitting individuals and families really hard. We're just there to provide a little bit of help when people need it most. We've been able to provide free cooking lessons for children and adults, and it's a really lovely environment to be in, spending quality family time together, learning new skills, achieving something together, taking it home and sharing it with other members of their family. Recently we've just moved our food bank here as well, and on average we help about 200 people a week. We get a lot of food from the Felix project. They take any waste products from supermarkets to stop them going from landfill, and it just gets used in the community, so it's a win-win situation. With a lot of the things we do, food is the starting point, but there's so many added benefits that come with it. It's tackling loneliness, which is a huge issue. It's helping relieve poverty, and it's just creating this stronger sense of community cohesion as well. We cook for an amazing homeless charity called The Little Things. We have huge support from Paul Wheeler, who provides all the fruit, vegetables, and since we've helped them, we've made about 12,000 meals for them.
What they do for the community in and around Enfield, they're making people dinners who can't afford it, who are struggling, who've got mental health issues. They're just unreal. Beacons of shining light.
The people that we see, a lot of them have a lot of uncertainty in their life. We are there through rain, sleet and snow. And we are a solid and a constant in their life, which actually a lot of people don't have. It can be very, very lonely when you are isolated from absolutely everybody. We're just here to provide a little bit of extra help for people that need it.
It definitely helps for sure at the minute, you know, with everybody struggling with cost of living and stuff. Yeah, it helps. It's a good place. Everybody's nice and welcoming and whatever. So yeah, it's good. I mean, it is sad that things like this are having to happen, but if it didn't, there would be people starving right now, wouldn't they? You know, I think these sort of places are some of the only places people are getting food. So yeah, it's a good thing. Long may it continue.
Seeing the impact we're having on the lives of so many people, it's just, who wouldn't want to come work in a place like this? We all work together. We really think that we've created a community here, so just getting to know different people from different walks of life, seeing them on their journey and seeing what our contribution has been, albeit a small one, but we'd like to think that we've impacted people's lives in a really positive way.